Understanding, within one's sight, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, within one's sight. This phrase is not just about what we can see with our eyes. It's about understanding, opportunity, and presence. So, let's embark on this journey together to uncover the layers of meaning within one's sight. Within one's sight primarily refers to anything that is visibly present in the area a person can see. It means being in the visible range or not hidden from view. This could apply to objects, people, or landscapes that you can directly see without any obstructions. It's about what is immediately apparent to our visual senses. Beyond its literal meaning, within one's sight is often used metaphorically. In this context, it can signify something that is within reach or achievable. Goals, dreams, or ambitions that seem attainable, not too far off from realization, can be described as being within one's sight. This use inspires motivation and the belief that the target is close enough to be achieved with effort. This phrase is part of several expressions and idioms that enrich the English language. For example, keeping someone within one's sight can mean maintaining supervision or not letting someone out of your presence for safety or control. It's about vigilance and ensuring someone or something remains close and observable. To fully grasp within one's sight, let's see it in action. The finish line is within my sight. I just need to keep running. He kept the children within his sight at the park, ensuring they were safe. The mountain peak is finally within our sight after hours of hiking. These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase, demonstrating its application in various contexts. And that's a wrap on within one's sight. This phrase beautifully combines the literal and metaphorical, offering a rich tapestry of meaning to explore in the English language. Whether it's about keeping your goals in view or simply observing the world around you, remember that what's within one's sight can be profoundly impactful. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has brought some new insights within your sight.